up, Kishu holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, guys. Welcome back to another video about Kishu, guys. Kishu coin is a long-term project, and guys, a lot of people ask me questions about Kishu, and especially, guys, in the latest situation, the Kishu start moving. So first time, I want to congratulate all of you that the Kishu started jumping again, and absolutely they take a quick jump from yesterday. Guys, subscribe now my channel if you don't subscribe. Now the current price of the Kishu is still very low. Guys, I really recommend for you this time again that the current price is low. Please buy now. Other side, you can see here and now in annuities the change is also going good. That's why please buy now. It is a pumping time. Short-term investor, wake up in the market and buy now Kishu, because it's the last of August. They continue this kind of pump. I'm sure about that. Let me show you the price chart. Now you can see here they start jumping. Just look here the latest situation. So it is a time to buy. Anyways, guys, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Kishu? And also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.